Hello everyone, you received a greeting from the Instituto Nacional de Metrología that drove the automation group show one experience with this video in workshop Metrology for Digital Transformation version 2020. Okay, in this opportunity automation group show one experience on 2019 where this group developed one world of sharing data acquisition knowledge with industry labs. The location Colombian National Metrology Institute INN is at Bogota, Colombia. The INN had the process of automation of measuring process. This process was created on 2013 November 6 with a number 011 and the participation of INM collaborator. This process is under the reference M402 AutoProc in the integrated management system in the INM. Since its creation, it has made contribution to the automation of INM measures draw software application developed under LabVIEW, among others. Some of the development has been registered with the National Copyright Agency DNDA in Colombia. This process has two documents, four format and one procedure for his operation draw of INN collaborator the automation group. The automation group attempts request of automation of the mission areas of INN. These areas are the subdivision of physical metrology, the subdivision of chemistry metrology and biomedicine, and the subdivision of innovation and technological service. Now, the automation of measuring process since its creation of DRAW, the automation group has achieved a 48 automation project requests. 45 has been complete and 25 of these has been registered with the National Copyright Agency in Colombia. These registers are 55% total of automation project requests. This value is good for this work. But we can see in this picture that one of the principal automation projects is data acquisition projects. And then with this work achieved in data acquisition, the INN proposed to run a workshop in the topic on 2019 for industry labs. Okay. Also, the INN has one area with the name Red Colombiana de Metrología, or in English language, his name may be Colombian Metrology Network. But this area in the INN is RCM, and this area has the function of strengthening metrology in Colombia through events, workshops, and platform of laboratory shares and calibration guide. Now, with the promotion of workshop of area RCN and the exploring developed by the automation group in data acquisition, the INN proposed one workshop in this topic on October month in 2019. Then, this workshop had the objective of to create awareness about measurement automation in order to strengthen technical competition with its calibration testing laboratories. And the participation should have the requirement profile as basic knowledge in metrology, instrument, and software programming. Additional requirements. Participants should have a laptop with installed permit properties. Participants should have LabVIEW software version 2014 or later installed. If the participants did not have a LabVIEW software installation, they could install the LabVIEW 2019 software in a trial version with 2 days before the workshop. Participants should install the NI Visa module. Participants should install the Arduino IDE with 2 days before the workshop. And participants should install the Arduino driver. Okay, in this workshop was developed any topic like this. The importance of measurement automation in data acquisition, programming concepts for the LabVIEW software, RS232 serial communication concepts, practice, tools, and results. In this topic, the importance of measurement automation with data acquisition is very important. Identify the instrument more used in laboratories. For example, digital balance, instrument of measurement for temperature and environment condition in others. And also, it's important to identify the serial communication port, for example, the type of connecting on the cables. And finally, in this topic, we must identify modules necessary in software for developing in data acquisition useful in a calibration process. And then now we can have one idea of importance in measuring automation in data acquisition, where automation in metrology is not limited to integrate software and hardware with instruments. It provides tools to support and enhance technical and scientific function for metrologists. Okay. In the second topic, it's necessary that participant has programming concepts because in LabVIEW software use G-program or graphic programming, where graphic module and programmer. These are data time with different data time as letter and integer or point float numbers. Another concept is control, indicator, and constant. That it is inputs, outputs, and constant value on the system. Finally, the last concept is the structure concept, where we can add a structure for loop, while loop, case structure, sequence structure, event structure, time structure, and formula node that are used for execution control of software in data acquisition. All these programming concepts were necessary in this workshop. Okay. In third topic is RS232 serial communication concept, where it's possible connect a measuring instrument with computed draw I data serial connection with data communication cable or crossover communication cable, among other topics in the configuration in this communication type. Now, in the practice, was proposed one software application where was data acquisition of environment condition draw a measuring instrument emulator with randomly generate values, and these values resolution draw a software application on a computer. This system is similar to a measuring instrument inside a calibration laboratory, where after participants can apply these concepts in their laboratories. Like I wish this practice was support through member experiences of automation group in data acquisition and software development in metrology. Now, in this workshop was used tool has platform Arduino with IDE Arduino and board Arduino Uno for the emulator, LabVIEW software for developing of the software application, and the light software for testing RS232 serial communication. Finally, the resulting workshop where the participants gave emulator code and developed application software in data acquisition, and all the different concepts for that they could apply in their laboratories. Okay. Then a conclusion to share you is the experiences developed in metrology and digital transformation as data acquisition are good to share. Just like the Wiz Bridge used the as I where everyone benefits. Now, this is an experience that INN shared in the workshop of Metrology for Digital Transformation version 2020 as a topic that also in the future the NMIs could transfer their experience in metrology and digital transformation to industry labs. Okay, thank you for your attention.